Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to assign roles to a member on your Discord server using your PC with the latest update. Whether you want to give someone a specific responsibility, moderate chats, or simply organize your community better, this method makes it quick and easy. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Discord on your PC and head over to the server you own. From there, look at the very top left corner of your screen and click on your server's name. A menu will appear, and you'll want to select the option that says Server Settings. Once you're inside Server Settings, go ahead and click on Members. This section is where you can view every person currently in your server and manage their permissions. Now, scroll through the list of members until you find the person you want to assign a role to. When you find their name, look to the right side where you'll see 3 small dots. Click on those dots and a new menu will pop up with a variety of options. Among those choices, select Role. This is where you'll be able to give them the role you've already set up for your server. If you haven't created roles before, make sure you prepare them in advance under the Roles section of your server settings. Roles can be completely customized with different colors, permissions, and names, so people know exactly what position or responsibility someone has within your community. Once your roles are set, come back to this list and choose the right one for the member. After you select the desired role, Discord automatically saves your changes. You'll notice the role will now appear next to that member's name, showing that they've been successfully assigned. This instantly grants them the permissions tied to that role, whether it's moderation tools, priority and voice chats, or simply a visual indicator of their status. And that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to assign roles to members on your Discord server using the updated interface on PC. Thanks for watching.